What's up, everyone? It's that math magician, and on this video, we're taking a look at sequences, and we're going to see, can we find the equation for an arithmetic sequence, like this one. We have 24, 19, 14, 9. That is our sequence, and we want to now figure out what is the equation for this arithmetic sequence. Now, you probably are already starting to think in your mind, how is this sequence changing? How do I go from 24 to 19 to 14 to 9? There is some number there that represents how it's changing. Well, that number is our common difference, and it actually plays a big part in our explicit equation. Common difference represents D, the letter D, and that's going to be what goes in our equation next to the n variable. So we have T of n equals dn. Don't forget that we're going to have to add in at the very end our T of 0 or our 0 term. So let's find that common difference. We want to find that pattern, that sequence generator. How is it changing up there? Well, 24 to 19, I believe that common difference, and hopefully if you figured it out by now, is just minusing 5. And 19 to 14 is also minusing 5. And I think it's going to be the last one as well, because as we move down this sequence, we are subtracting by 5. 5 is our common difference. That represents letter D here. So don't forget that you have to put into your equation negative 5, not just positive 5, but negative 5. Alrighty, we are almost there. The very last thing we got to find is our 0 term. And we can do that because we know the first term is 24, the second is 19, the third is 14, and the fourth term is 9. To find the 0 term, we sort of just have to go backwards now. So I'm interested in this number here that is before the first term. In order to find that, notice that I'm going now in the opposite direction of my sequence. As we move to the right, we are subtracting 5. But now I got to go to the left. I'm going the opposite way. If I'm going the opposite way, I need to take that common difference and I need to do the opposite. So if I was minusing 5, now I got to add 5, right? Just do the opposite. So if I add 5 to 24, that reveals our 0 term to be 29, because 24 plus 5 equals 29. I can now take this equation, I can erase the T of 0 because I know what T of 0 is. Our 0 term is 29. This is how you get the explicit equation for an arithmetic sequence. Alrighty, y'all. You guys are doing great. Keep it up, and I will see you on the next video.